Hello friend, this tutorial I am going to show you how to reboot your Android phone. This tutorial I am going to show you two easy way you can restart or reboot your Android phone. So let's get started. First method, I am using the buttons mode. So look for the button at the right or left side on your phone. You can find the power and volume down button. Simply tap on hold the button for a few seconds. From the pop-up menu appear, here you can see the restart or reboot option. Once you found them, tap on it, then tap again and automatically reboot or restart your phone. The second way, if you want to reboot your phone, don't panic. This is very easy. Simply swipe the top of the notification bar to open the notification panel, then swipe again to open the quick panel. Here you can find the power button icon. This is very simple icon. Once you found them, tap on it. From the pop-up menu, here you can see various options: power off, restart, emergency call and more. Look for the restart or reboot option appear, tap on it, then tap again and automatically reboot or restart your Android phone. And that's it, how you can easily two-way reboot your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.